gangs are heisting vehicles carrying PlayStation 5s, apparently. Now, this story was on both of our feeds this morning. It has this great video clip from Romania of a vehicle traveling behind a transport vehicle and like a regular passenger vehicle behind a cargo vehicle. And they're maintaining the exact speed as a passenger at highway speed exits the car traveling behind the other vehicle to jump in and try to steal something. Now, the way that this video has been attached to PlayStation 5 makes you think that they're stealing PlayStation 5s from the back of this vehicle, but this clip is from 2012. The clip only exists in this article to demonstrate a method that people are currently using. We have new reports that this method is being utilized in order to heist real PlayStation 5s. So the PlayStation 5 hype doesn't end at the end user, the gamer, but it also has enthralled the heisters, the robbers. They are also interested. We've had so many stories around people trying to make money off PlayStation 5s, whether it's through legal means by just acquiring as many as possible and then hitting the resale market.
Yep.
Theft we've seen from the couriers. People are receiving packages that are not PlayStation 5s at all. Scams on eBay, misrepresenting PS5s. Now we have just straight up robbery of PS5s.
Yeah.
And so the reports that have emerged all over the world, by the way, of thefts kind of like this one, and also UPS and FedEx guys just getting heisted straight up. Just getting approached straight up. Got any PlayStation 5s in there? Robberies.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not trying to give anybody, I don't recommend it. I mean, what are we doing here? Over a PlayStation? Come on. Come on.
I mean, this is very dangerous.
Over a PlayStation? I mean, come on. Like, I mean, even at $1,000 on eBay, really? We're doing this now?
Yeah.
There's other ways to, I mean, just pick up some Stadia, start game streaming, earn some ad revenue,
not?
call it a day, and people want to watch you play Cyberpunk anyway. You don't need to be
Exactly.
Scrambling around the top of a car at highway speeds.
Yeah, you don't have to be Vin Diesel.
You don't have to
based
do
on
it.
The title here. Fast
Believe it or
and
not,
Furious.
you can be Vin Diesel, just be in the video game. Do it inside of Cyberpunk.
Yeah. Future Vin Diesel.
Or Keanu Reeves, I guess.
You get confused.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
You were the one that brought up Vin Diesel. I was just saying that video games let you play out.
I didn't see the correlation.
I'm just saying video games
Diesel
let you
and,
play out.
Cyberpunk.
I don't know if they ever did a Fast and the Furious video game. Did they?
I think they did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, you know, the Grand Theft Auto concept. You can do it in the game and no one gets hurt, right?
Yeah, you can live.
Wow, they did do a Fast and Furious video game. All right, go do it in that game.
That's
There, go be Vin Diesel.
That's him.
Go be Vin Diesel in the actual game. And also be leery if you're on the secondary market that, you know, there's a potential that the unit that you're purchasing could have been stolen. And I don't know what the implications of that are long term with the serial numbers and all the rest of it. So keep that in mind too. These things are hot ticket all around.